In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A3 Core, and let me show you how to set up default browser on this device. So first of all, just open the list of all apps, go to the settings then, and now locate apps and notifications. Here you will notice default apps, so just click on default apps here and select browser app. And now all you need to do is to pick the one that you would like to set as your default one. It can be Google Chrome, for example. And that's it. You've actually changed the browser app in your device, the default browser app, obviously. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.